Hi everyone, I'm Carly Brand. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so happy you're here. So today I want to show you guys my favorite way to curl my hair. It's super easy. I'm living my life on the go. I work 9-hour days and I try and make sure I get a workout in every day. I also do YouTube, like I'm very busy, so for me anything that's quick and easy is like my favorite thing, and this is my new favorite way to curl my hair. I hope you guys like this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and let's get into it. The first thing I'm going to do is section off my hair, and I like to section it just right above my ear. So I only do 2 sections because I'm too lazy to do any more than that, and I don't have time for that in my life. So it's only 2 sections. And Laura, thank you so much for this scrunchie. I know I said I just was borrowing it, but I might not give it back because I love it so much. So usually now would be a good time to like spray your hair with dry shampoo if you wanted to, or texturizing spray before. I'm not going to just because I don't need to right now. So then I just take them in sections, and then I'm going to take my straightener, and this is the one I have. It's the Nano Titanium by Babyliss Pro, and I believe it's the 1 inch, the 1/2 inch. Let me find out and link it down below. I can't remember, so I'll let you guys know. But I love the way that these curls look because they look really natural and they're pretty easy. So it's pretty much, I've done a video before and I'll link that. I'll do a little card up in the corner. But the video I did was just my normal curls, and these ones are just a little different. So I just put it on my hair and I do a little half turn and I pull, and then I take it out, and then I put the straightener right where the last curl ended. I put it on and I do it the same way, and I do like 2 little curls. So I'll show you. So it's like very natural. It's not like a ringlet, but it's like 2 little curls, and it just looks, I just love the way it looks. So then I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna always go away from your face, do half a little pull, let it go, and then put it right at the base of that last curl, and just do another half pull, half curl, and then pull it down. And these curls just look, it's just like almost like a wave. It's kind of like a beachy wave. That's kind of what I think of these curls. I'm just gonna do the back, and then I'll show you guys more the top, how to do it. Okay, so there's my curls. Maybe missed one. Sometimes you can just kind of do whatever at the bottom because it doesn't really matter. Okay, I'm gonna take out the second section. Like, this is supposed to be very easy. Don't overthink it. If you mess up on anything, like, it really doesn't matter because it's supposed to be kind of a messy look. So for the tops, I just like to kind of start in the middle, and I'm going to take a smaller piece. It's maybe like 1/2 inch or 1 inch wide, and I start closer to the top, and you don't press too hard, and you just do half a curl, bring it halfway down the hair, and then right where the curl ends, you're going to start right over and do half a curl. Like, you put it halfway down and you do a half twist away from your face. Don't comb out the curls yet. We'll comb them all out at the end. So just kind of do all the curls you need to, and then at the end we'll run our fingers through it. So you just put it in at the top, do half a curl, pull it down, let it go. So that's kind of what it looks like. And then right at the bottom, you're gonna do another half curl and pull it down. So it's like a double curl, and it's like a wave. Once you run your fingers through it, it's very natural and beachy. It's very pretty. And I always just keep them away from my face. I don't like them going different directions because sometimes the ones that are coming forward look funny on me. So personally, I don't think it looked bad on everyone, but I just don't like it for myself. And for the front, I always shake out the little baby hairs because I don't want to put any more heat on them. They're already struggling as is, so if I can help it, I don't curl them. And I start this one a little lower to give it more of a natural look. Since it's so thin, you don't need to press hard or hold it for a long time at all. Oh boy, I got a total crease. decided I don't do sections, but I'm just going through. It's just easier to flip my hair over to get the middle section. But I'm definitely not going to get every piece. And I also like that. It's kind of part of like the messy look. I'm all about the easygoing, messy look. Okay, now I'm just going to do the back. The back is just the same. Just grab sections, and sometimes I think it's easier. I'm just going to like take half a section. And I'm just going to literally like, I need to get a clip. Okay, so I just grabbed a clip. And I took half, like I took a little section. I'm just gonna clip it like right at the top. It looks awesome. And then I'm gonna section it off piece by piece and just work my way down to get all the little pieces in the back. And I'm still going the same way, so I'm just going away from my head. There's really no right way to do this. Just make sure that you get all the visible pieces and you're good to go. All right, I'm gonna let down the top. Okay, so here's how it looks before I run my fingers through my hair. And then I don't comb it out, I just run my fingers through it. Make sure I get the back and the front. And I just feel like it's very relaxed and beachy. And I love that like some pieces are a little bit more straight, some are more curled. I just think it looks nice because it's so natural looking, and it even looks better after you sleep on it, so it's perfect. And I'm just gonna spray some texturizing spray. I have the Kevin Murphy bedroom hair, and I'm just gonna spray it and like lift as I spray. So this is texturizing spray. Okay, you guys, there you have it. That's my super easy, quick way to curl my hair. I hope you guys like this. Let me know if you guys give it a try. I'd love to hear about how it goes. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe if you haven't already. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.